Hi, this is GamoX88. In today's video, I'm showing you two lavalier microphones I got from AliExpress. I'm going to test the sound of it as well in this video. They were 80 cents a piece with free shipping. They don't work on a phone because the plug has two black rings. You need the kind with three black rings to work on a phone, and I just bought the wrong one. While ordering, I didn't see the two black rings. My mistake. This problem is fixable. You have to buy an extender cable that has three rings, and you can place it between your phone and your microphone, and it will just work as it should be. The microphone feels cheap, but for 80 cents you can't have high expectations. Hi, hello. This is how the cheap microphone sounds without an extender. At this price point, I would certainly recommend you to buy this microphone. It's a cheap solution for you to have a secondary microphone to record multiple voices at once. For example, if you are in a large room with multiple people and you need to record every sound in that room. For a low budget YouTuber as myself, it does really work well. It suits me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, see ya.